it's me. I've got a soft letter from Shanti. I'm really excited to see what's in here. Oh. Oh yes, maybe. Opening package. It's nice wrap, but I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Hello. Hey Shanti. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. It's a love! Come look! Wow. It's a unicorn bag. I love it. Oh look, I love Spokane cat butt gum. Oh, can you? I love Spokane. Look, unicorn. Oh look, I have this. I love Spokane. And then we have Pop Rocks, watermelon, and cat butt gum. It's cat ash bomb gum. Avocado shit milk. Oh shit! How do you say it? Shit. Not shit. Shit. Oh shit. Okay. And greetings from Spokane. Oh, I think this is for my phone. Yes. Look, love. Do 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 do. Yes. Oh wow, I love that. But I think we have something more. Something soft. Oh, but the most important, I have letter. Love you. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Oh, Shanti, I love you too. We have something more here. Let's see how to. Oh. I am very aggressive. Oh, oh, look. Oh, guys, look, these are cacti stickers. Oh my god, I love it. Squirrel. It's exactly what my mind is squirrel. What? Oh, in underpants, air freshener, fresh forest scent. Love it. I think this is for you, honey, but can I wear it? Get a load of these, whiskers. Oh god, I love it. Look, honey. Oh, Shanti, thank you so much. Look how many fun stuff. Oh, and these 3D. This is 3D stickers. Look. Can you see? Wow, these are so cool. Oh, wow. I'm gonna love this one. I need to taste this. Come, should we taste the cat ass gum? It's cat ass gum, isn't it? Look. Helpful occasion to chew this gum. Oh, maybe we can chew it. Number 1. When you suddenly need to change your mood, I wonder if it's the better or for the worse. When somebody yell at you and you don't want to listen, maybe I should have this at work. If you are lack of attitude, when you need to refuse, oh, definitely at work. I have to say some at work. When you want to be picky, when you want to be selfish, when you definitely want to say kiss my ass. Chew more than one if you needed extra attitude. I wonder what's the taste of it. Then, does it taste like ass? You think? You wanna taste it first? Oh, come on, camera, come on, camera. Doesn't smell anything. Do you have attitude now? Oh yeah, yeah. Kiss my ass attitude. Kiss it here. But it tastes good. Peppermint artificial flavor. Okay. These are good. Can we mix it with Pop Rocks? Come on. It's watermelon mint. Come. Open your mouth. This is how you eat Pop Rocks. I love Pop Rocks. This brings me to my life. Was 5 or something. Love it. This is I'm gonna have on my bag, on my photo bag. Yes, I love Spokane.
Spokane.
But it's a city. Shanti's from.
Shanti.
But I love this unicorn. It's freaking amazing. And I love it even more. 95% of recycled materials. I love it, love it, love it!
Calm down, man. Calm down.
My reaction. I can have this one at work. So you can put your jeans up so you can see. People can see this. This is cute. I love it. Look. Oh, Shanti, thank you so much. I really love it. And I was really tired today after work, after Christmas break. And he caught me sleeping, and I can insert picture right here. It's terrible. But well, oh my god. And this I'm gonna save. I have a special box. Oh, this is so good. This is such a good gift. It's a gift within a gift. I love it so much. Thank you. All love goes to you. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you didn't know, you can also, you can subscribe now. We can just have. Subscribe to me here, and to Shanti you can subscribe here, and you can watch my latest video here. Yes! Okay, thank you guys so much for watching.